Hey, Debbie Hill here, and I am going to do the broccoli challenge. So I am going to use the Thieves fruit and veggie wash in this bowl, and then a cap of vinegar in this bowl, and then just plain old water in this bowl, and let's see what happens. Okay, I've cut my broccoli, I'm all prepped. I'm going to throw into this bowl. Can you see it? I think I got to move the bowl over. That bowl, and then that bowl, and this is plain old water. So we have fruit and veggie wash, white vinegar, which most people use this, and then plain old water. And let's see what happens. I'm going to give it a little swish around. I'm excited to see what happens. It's very, very economical. It calls for a half a teaspoon to a gallon of water. And I never use a gallon, so what am I going to use, a quarter of a teaspoon? In a bowl of water. So it's very, very economical. And more importantly, if we have really great results, then we should be using it, right? So, okay, so here we're gonna pull out first. This is the one with just water. You can see it's still got that waxy film on it, right? Do you see that? All right, so that's not looking so happy, is it? Okay, and we're gonna put that back in that bowl. This is the one with the vinegar. Let's see, maybe we can compare it. Okay, so this is plain water, this is vinegar. Looking better. It's definitely looking better. It still kind of looks like it's got like a little film on it still. I don't know if you can see it in the video. Okay, and now I'm gonna take out, this is the one from the fruit and veggie wash. So, and this is the one from water. So look, oh my God, look at the color. Is that nuts? That's crazy. Look how green that is. And there's no like waxy residue. Can you see the difference? That's crazy. So this is plain water. Here, let's look at the vinegar one. Maybe the vinegar one will be better. See, it's still like, look at the color. You can't compare. It's nuts. This is so much greener. And this is like blah looking, right? It still has stuff on it. And look how green that is. It's like nuts, right? Look at that. Look at, there you go. You can see right there. It's insane. And this is cleaned with vinegar. This is cleaned with the fruit and veggie wash. I'm sold. What about you? DebbieHill.net is where you get your fruit and veggie wash and the Thieves Cleaner and the kitchen and bath scrub and all the other amazing house products. Make it a great day. Talk to you soon.